In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Expensify for beginners. If you're brand new to Expensify, think of it as your digital hub for tracking expenses, organizing receipts, and submitting reports for reimbursement. I'll walk you through 3 core skills you need: adding an expense, creating and submitting a report, and managing your settings so everything runs smoothly in the background. Let's start with adding an expense. From your Expensify dashboard, look to the left-hand navigation menu and click the green plus icon. This is your starting point whenever you want to add something new. Choose Create Expense, then select Manual. This option is for when you already know the details of the expense and just want to type them in. First, enter the amount you spent and select the correct currency. When that looks right, click Next. Now you'll see fields for the details of your expense. Add the merchant name, the date of the purchase, the category, and a short description. The category is especially important if your company has expense policies, so pick the one that best matches what you bought, like travel, meals, or office supplies. You can also attach a receipt image here, which is a great habit to get into. Just upload or select a photo of your receipt so everything is stored in one place. When you're done, click Create Expense to save it. If you prefer to work from your receipts instead of typing everything, you can also scan them. Click the same plus icon, choose Scan Receipt, and upload an image file. Expensify will read the receipt and pull out key details for you, which you can then review and save as an expense. Once you have your expenses created, the next step is to build and submit a report. Go to the Reports tab at the top or side of your screen. Click New Report and then choose Expense Report. From here, you'll add your saved expenses into this report. Select the ones you want to include, give the report a clear description, like the trip or time period it covers, and then click Submit. You'll be prompted to enter the details of the person who needs to approve it. Add their information, then click Send to submit your report for review and reimbursement. Finally, let's look at your settings. Open the menu and choose Settings. This is where you connect payment methods, link bank accounts, and adjust your personal preferences, such as notifications and default currency. If you're using a business account, you'll also see options to manage workspaces, company cards, and reimbursement settings. Spend a few minutes here to make sure everything is set up correctly, and Expensify will do a lot of the heavy lifting for you going forward.